This is Miss Storms coming to you with another science demonstration. It's a rainy day, so this is the perfect day to get to experimenting. Let's get started. Okay, so for this demonstration, we are going to make a paperclip float. Now, just to show you what a paperclip usually does in a bowl of water, let me get one of my paper clips here, and let's see if it's gonna float for us. Nope, sunk right to the bottom. So how in the world are we gonna make this work? Okay, so what you're gonna need is tissue paper about the size of a half-a-dollar bill. So I've tried this once before and my tissues were very thin and it did not work for me. So I'm gonna double it up this time. You're gonna need a fresh, clean paper clip. Get that one untangled there. There's my paper clip. And then a pencil with an eraser. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna explain it first because I have to act a little fast. We're gonna gently put the tissue paper on top of the water, then gently put this paper clip on top of the tissue, trying not to touch the water. And then we're gonna take our eraser and we're gonna push down on the sides of the tissue paper to where the tissue paper will sink, and we'll see what happens with the paper clip. So we know that paper clip sinks. Let's try it out. Okay, and gently put that on top. Gently put my paper clip back on there, and then we're gonna push down the paper. Oh my goodness, the tissue's all the way at the bottom. And look at our paper clip. It's floating. How in the world does that happen? Okay, so let me explain something. Our paper clip is not actually floating, even though it looks that way. It's being held up by surface tension. So water has a little bit like a skin on top, and it's where the water molecules are holding on tight. And in this case, it's holding on tight to that paper clip. That's why it's not sinking to the bottom. Pretty cool, right? But as always, this was a science demonstration. It's your job to make an experiment by asking a question. For example, how many paper clips can the surface tension of the water hold up? You could try multiple paper clips to see if they do not sink. You could also see if the shape of the paper clip matters. You could try bending it different ways and seeing if it still stays at the top. You could also see which liquids have the best surface tension. Try out one of those and get to experimenting. I'll see you later. One last thing. Tune in Wednesday for our grand finale science demonstration. I'll see you then.